Recently, Unitry sold thousands of their G1 humanoid robots and is now launching the R1 models under $5,000 in 2027. It sounds futuristic and very promising, but take a look at what the Unit G1 robots are actually doing inside homes. They try to move on their own, but instead they keep bumping into mirrors and collapsing among the broken shards. There's no denying that whether it's a spring-loaded gadget or a digital AI thinker, the end result is still robotic comedy, as it can't even recognize its own reflection. Meanwhile, check out the Tesla bot dancing alongside Elon Musk at the 2025 shareholders meeting, moving with incredible smooth professional precision. Some even joke that Elon Musk himself seemed to copy the bot moves. Although this is only the experimental 2.5 version, its ability to learn from videos allows it to watch and copy human actions extremely naturally, without errors. Elon Musk confirmed that the retail version will launch in the first quarter of 2026 with the latest Tesla Bot Gen 3 design with the world's most advanced AI brain. It will be able to self-learn and expand its task capacity, not limited to 3,000 tasks for Gen 3 and potentially doubling to 6,500 tasks in Gen 4 and Gen 5 versions. If optimists can watch videos, like YouTube videos or how-to clips, and then, just like humans, learn how to do something from those videos, the task expandability is truly dramatic, because it can pick up new things very quickly. So, I think we'll reach that in the near future. How much will the retail Gen 3 version cost? Can it stay at home to cook, wash dishes, or clean while you're at work? Welcome to Tesla Byte Hub. You might not believe it, but a robot that can learn on its own just by watching videos can cook any dish, clean the house, fix plumbing, and even be funny enough to dance like a professional performer. With its highly advanced AI brain, it can fully learn a new skill in just a few minutes, while it would take humans weeks or even months. Sounds a bit scary, right? But even crazier, at the 2025 Tesla annual shareholders meeting, Elon Musk announced that the Tesla bot could help end hunger and could even completely replace surgeons in the near future. Optimus will actually reduce poverty. Optimus will provide people with incredible medical care. Musk's ambitions go even further. He has outlined Tesla's most audacious production plan yet. Optimus Gen 4 is planned for release in 2027, and Gen 5 is expected in 2028 with a manufacturing line capable of producing 1 million robots annually in Fremont, scaling up to 10 million, then 100 million, and potentially even on Mars, 1 billion robots per year. It may sound far-fetched, but Musk is serious, emphasizing that this is not just a pipe dream. Tesla is preparing for the fastest production ramp of any large, complex manufactured product in history. Recently, Tesla released new demo videos showing Optimus performing a wide variety of tasks impressively, reinforcing its potential as an excellent household assistant, autonomous worker, and even a professional-level doctor. According to Tesla engineers, using only a single neural network, Optimus has performed household chores such as sweeping, cooking, using a microwave, vacuuming, and picking up trash. It has also shown the ability to sort parts in factories, automotive accessory production lines, and Tesla's battery manufacturing facilities. What's truly impressive, and what most people might have missed in the videos, is that Optimus can now operate independently with both hands instead of just one as before. This means each hand can handle two completely different tasks at the same time without being limited to pre-programmed movements. For example, it could stir soup with one hand while washing vegetables with the other. This is a major step forward, showing it can manage coordinated movements and complex motor control even though its hands currently don't have 22 degrees of freedom. According to Elon Musk, the Gen 3 hands, which will release early next year, will finally come equipped with these highly advanced hands. Using both hands requires a much higher level of coordination than using just one. Previously, Optimus mostly relied on a single hand to perform simple tasks like picking up objects or sorting components. Now, it can process and respond to signals from both hands simultaneously, much like humans naturally coordinate their left and right hands. This means the AI software has to calculate and optimize movements of both hands in real time, avoiding collisions, keeping balance, and ensuring smooth operation. Just imagine what it could do with fully articulated 22 degrees of freedom hands. The next demo videos are going to be extremely exciting. One of the biggest breakthroughs shown in Tesla's recent update video is how Optimus learns new tasks. Instead of traditional methods like motion capture, where humans wear sensors to demonstrate every move, or remote control, where someone operates the robot from a distance, Tesla has taken a smarter approach. They let Optimus simply watch videos of humans performing tasks, and it figures out how to do them on its own. It's like going on YouTube to learn how to fix a leaking pipe or make a pizza. With Optimus, it starts with simple tasks like taking out the trash, pulling curtains, stirring a pot, or using a vacuum. Like humans, Optimus can fully learn new skills, actions, and tasks as long as it's shown how to do them. Amazing, right? For example, if you want Optimus to learn to cook a steak, Tesla will provide a video of a chef preparing it. Then, in a simulated environment, Optimus will practice cooking that steak billions of times, trying different ways of cutting, seasoning, and cooking. Every time it makes a mistake, the AI adjusts and improves. Once it reaches almost perfect success, say 99%, Optimus is ready to perform the task in real life. This type of training allows it to learn much faster than traditional methods. If you prefer hands-on learning, you can also teach Optimus directly, especially if you own one. Beyond just providing videos, you can guide it to perform tasks in real time. As mentioned earlier, Optimus Gen 3 is expected to debut in the first quarter of next year. Unlike a typical robot, it is designed to look more like a human wearing a robot suit. Elon Musk emphasizes that you really have to touch it to believe it's a robot. This indicates an extremely high level of sophistication, with almost all the lines and details of the model hiding wires, drive systems, and joints. Musk has hinted that its movements will be extremely natural, fluid, and almost indistinguishable from humans. Rumors suggest Tesla Bot 3 will feature an electronic OLED display on its face, integrate Grok voice control, and have remarkably human-like hands. Recent reports about Tesla Optimus Gen 4 indicate that instead of changing its look, the focus will be on internal technical upgrades to improve efficiency and performance. While Gen 4 looks much like Gen 3 on the outside, the improvements promise significant functional differences. Specifically, Gen 4's operational time will nearly double, increasing from 7 hours to 12 hours. This lets the robot work longer without recharging, which is very important for productivity, especially in industrial settings. Gen 4 will also move much faster, making it more agile and responsive for tasks that need both precision and speed. This not only improves work efficiency, but also makes the robot more versatile in situations that require quick action. Gen 4's hands will be far more dexterous than Gen 3's, allowing it to handle delicate tasks like assembling tiny parts or performing intricate work. For example, while Gen 3 might fetch a beer from the fridge, Gen 4 could open it and pour it for you, showing a clear difference in ability. With these improvements, the price of Optimus Gen 4 is expected to be $30,000 higher than Gen 3. This is reasonable given the advanced features. Elon Musk boldly predicted that once Tesla reaches a production milestone of over 1 million units per year, the cost per Optimus could drop to around $20,000. If achieved, this could spark a true revolution in robotics and automation. At that price, Optimus could become common in homes and businesses, performing tasks from industrial labor to healthcare, hospitality, and assisting the elderly or disabled. With his usual humor, Musk even suggested that instead of sending criminals to jail, society could give them a free Optimus robot to monitor and prevent them from committing crimes. So, how could Tesla Bot Optimus help prevent crime? At Tesla's 2025 annual shareholder meeting, CEO Elon Musk unveiled a bold and controversial idea using humanoid robots to monitor people convicted of crimes as an alternative to prison. This makes Tesla Optimus not just a tool for industrial automation, but a potential game-changer in how society handles criminal behavior. Musk's proposal involves giving individuals leaving prison a free Optimus robot to accompany them at all times, preventing criminal activity before it happens. Essentially, this would turn the robot into an intelligent system capable of observing, intervening, and stopping crime in real time. This is a major change from traditional law enforcement, which relies on reactive policing, incarceration, and rehabilitation programs. Instead, Musk is proposing a preventative model, where an AI robot could intervene at the exact moment someone might commit a crime. This approach aims not only to reduce repeat offenses, but also to provide a more humane alternative to mass incarceration by addressing the causes of criminal behavior directly. The Tesla Optimus Gen 3, set to release in 2026, brings this vision closer with advanced capabilities. With 8 high-resolution cameras, it provides 360-degree vision and processes roughly 576 megapixels of visual data every second. This allows Optimus to maintain constant awareness, with positioning accuracy about 20 times better than most industrial robots, down to 0.05 degrees. Its sensors support complex object recognition, depth perception up to 50 meters, and specialized thermal imaging for low light or night vision. With a reaction time of just 3 milliseconds, faster than human reflexes, Optimus can respond instantly to environmental changes or suspicious behavior. Beyond observing, Optimus can theoretically prevent crime by directly intervening. Its advanced hands, with 22 degrees of freedom, can restrain individuals, remove weapons, or physically prevent criminal acts. Its autonomous charging system, using computer vision for precise docking and Tesla's charging port, ensures continuous operation across full 24-hour cycles without human support. This autonomous power management allows continuous surveillance without downtime. The combination of continuous operation, precise motion, advanced vision, and dexterous manipulation creates a system capable of detecting and preventing crime before or as it happens. Which jobs could be replaced by Tesla Bot Gen 4 and Gen 5 in the future? While Tesla Optimus generates excitement, there are concerns about its impact on the labor market. Beyond its unproven practical usefulness, people worry about broader risks. Popular culture has portrayed robots as potentially challenging or dominating humans. Films like Terminator and I, Robot have shaped public imagination, showing intelligent machines going rogue and threatening humanity. Even Elon Musk has warned that highly intelligent machines could be dangerous if misused, potentially surpassing nuclear weapons in destruction. His vision for Tesla Optimus, however, emphasizes safety. The robot is designed to be friendly and predictable, avoiding dystopian outcomes. Still, the main concern is not science fiction scenarios of robots rebelling. Instead, many worry that Optimus could disrupt employment. Unlike software AI, Optimus is humanoid and performs physical labor, meaning it could replace human workers in multiple industries. Elon Musk has said as early as 2016 that robots will take your jobs and governments will have to pay wages, showing the real economic impact of automation. Tesla plans massive Optimus production. By next year, several thousand units are expected in Tesla factories. By 2026, production will scale, and other companies could also use Optimus. Concerns rise with recent layoffs. Tesla cut 14,000 employees, showing how automation can quickly change labor dynamics. Layoffs may increase if robots like Optimus enter production lines of companies like Amazon, Walmart, PepsiCo, and FedEx. Musk suggests a future where physical labor is optional. In the future, physical work will be a choice. He said, "If you want to do it, you can, but you won't need to do it." This raises questions about how society adapts as humanoid robots perform repetitive or labor-heavy tasks more efficiently than humans. Assembly work, material handling, and quality inspection are examples of jobs that could be replaced. With thousands of Optimus robots, employment patterns could shift in manufacturing and logistics. Despite concerns, history suggests automation does not automatically lead to unemployment. When personal computers were introduced nearly 40 years ago, many feared office jobs would vanish. But instead, employees adapted, taking on new responsibilities, boosting productivity and profits. Similarly, robotics often creates new jobs. Workers no longer perform repetitive labor, but focus on programming, maintaining, and managing automated systems, creating roles that didn't exist before. Musk has suggested Tesla could produce Optimus in huge numbers, potentially achieving a ratio of 1 robot per person or even more. While a fully capable humanoid could theoretically replace humans in many tasks, we are far from that reality. Robots will take decades to master the variety of tasks humans perform with natural dexterity and judgment. If Tesla continues developing the Tesla bot, short-term reactions may vary. Long-term investors may see significant potential, while others may criticize the project as overly ambitious or question its immediate profitability. If Tesla Optimus can truly learn any skill just by watching videos, do humans still have an advantage in intellectual work or skilled labor? Share your opinion in the comment section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next breaking Tesla update. It's coming in just 2 days. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EVs or Tesla bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.